Hello friends. Today, I'm going to show you how to install graphics drivers in your PC. This video is for people who are new in PC gaming. Even if you buy a graphics card, you can't play games without a graphics driver. Usually, all new PCs and laptops would have a pre-installed graphics driver. But when you reinstall Windows, you need to install graphics drivers also. For people who are wondering that they have a nice PC and still unable to play games, this is the solution. Before installing the graphics drivers, make sure you have downloaded the right driver for your processor. There are 3 ways by which you can install a graphics driver. First 2 ways are by downloading a graphics drive manually and installing it. And the other way is by searching and installing automatically. Your manually downloaded graphics driver will be a zip file or an exe file. Both of them need to be extracted. Here, I have exe file. This is not the actual name of the file, I have renamed it. Open the exe file. Browse the folder for extraction. If your file is zip, extract it with WinRAR. Then go to the extracted folder. If there is a setup.exe file, open it and install the graphics driver. This is the first way. If there is no setup.exe file, or if you are unable to install it by the setup file, check this second way. Right click on computer and select manage. Then select device manager. Expand display adapters. Here you can see Intel HD graphics. If there is no graphics driver in your PC, it will be standard VGA adapter or something like that. Right click on it and select update driver software. The third way is by clicking the first option in this menu. It will automatically search and install the graphics driver from the internet. For the second way, select Browse My Computer for driver software. Select the folder where you extracted the setup. Then tick this option called Include Subfolders. It will not install, because I have already installed it. If you have any more doubts, ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.